Welcome, future programmers! Today we are going to make a game using Scratch that will blow your mind. Alright, now what you saw there was just the beginning. We are going to make a story, draw our characters, and do small programming. Now I'm going to draw our first character, which is a Spartan warrior. I'm going to fast forward the drawing part so you can just observe for now. Okay guys, I just finished our first character. Let's do some magic and make him feel alive. I'm going to fast forward again. As you can see, Spartan can attack, walk and shout now. Okay, let's make our second character. I'm thinking about making two main characters so player can switch between them when fighting monsters. Let's see how this goes. Good. As you can see here, we just made our second main character. And let's play around a bit. Okay. I'm going to wrap up episode 1 with this. We got our foundation done. Let's meet with episode 2 and we can work on enemies. See you soon, guys.